Applying to Chaffey College is a quick and easy process. To begin, visit chaffey.edu and click the Apply button. You'll need to create a CCC Apply account. Once you create your account, follow the prompt to start a new student application. After you've applied, you'll receive an email from Chaffey College with your portal login instructions within 15 minutes. Now, you can complete your online orientation and begin the placement process to prepare for your counseling appointment. Just follow the next steps in your email. After you've met with an academic and career counselor, you will have your education plan with all the classes required to graduate or transfer. After that, all you have to do is wait to receive the date and time of your registration appointment so that you can register for classes. We are excited for you to begin your educational journey at Chaffey College.